So I'm going to make this broth today, this kind of soup. It's very, very simple. It takes a little while because we're really going to boil it out. I've got some lamb in there, potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, a few little herbs. But yeah, that's really going to do you good, that will do. If you're feeling a little bit poorly, that's going to be great. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one because I want to get the meat ready. So a large pan, you're going to need some sort of large pot. In there, I've got about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different. Here I've got about 700 grams of lamb, a lot of bone and some fat in there. We're going to stew this right out. I want to cook this on just above medium heat for about 6 minutes. Then I'll be back. Okay, so that's spluttering away. Got a nice bit of colour on it. We're now going to add 1 cup onion, a tablespoon of garlic, about 4 or 5 cloves, a couple of bay, teaspoon of thyme. We're then going to go with salt and black pepper. We're going to cook this for just 3 more minutes, and then we're going to add quite a lot of water to this. Beautiful. Water. There's a whole jug there. I think that's about, I don't know, maybe 3 pints, maybe 2 or 3 pints. Right, high heat. We're going to boil this away now for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so that's been going for ages. Now, if you want, you could stick that in a pressure cooker and do it in half the time. But yeah, it's looking great. Now, some carrots. I've got some large, chunky cut carrots there, about 3 cups. And potatoes, even bigger, about 3 cups worth. In they go. We're going to add some more water to that. And we're going to keep it going now for about another 15 or 20 minutes or so. And that's a beauty. Okay, let's turn that heat off. Check the salt level on that. It's going to be good for me. Now that's it. It's very, very simple, but that's really delicious. Yeah, get a bowl or 2 of that inside you. That's going to do you the world of good. Make you feel a bit better. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.